Today I want to react upon how Africans respect life, how the police of Uganda, of Zimbabwe, of Africa, of South Africa, all have the way they have been treating people. And why is it that people are not coming out to condemn those acts? Because we have seen a lot of brutality. We have seen how the police have been treating people. I wonder, when George Floyd was killed, the whole America came out and the whole people came out and started demonstrating. They went on the street. Up to now, the demonstration is taking place. Of everybody shouting, Black Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter. How is it mattering when the people of Africans are killing the fellow Africans? When the police of Africans, of the black people, are killing the black people. But you see a white man coming out demonstrating that black lives matter, but an African is not demonstrating for the life of his fellow African. Why? Nobody is coming out to condemn the acts of brutality that is happening in our countries, that we see every day. The way people mistreat the way the police mistreat the people. See, it's really alarming. I don't know why can't we also organize ourselves as Americans? Why can't we also have that value? Should I think the life of a Ugandan is useless? How many people have died? How many people have died in Uganda, but people don't want to care? I know they are the one who are confronting the police. No. The police has the responsibility of protecting the law and protecting the people. Not to torture, not to squeeze, not to kill. Okay? Life matters. That's the reality. We can't respect life outside the country or in America, or we need black lives should be respected. Yet we can't respect ourselves. Yet we can't respect our brothers. Yet we can't respect our sisters. Yet we can't respect our fellow Africans. Now, a president who can overstay in the power for almost 30 and above years, he came killing people. He lives by killing people, and he wants to go with killing people. They don't want to go in a peaceful way. And you say Black Lives Matter. How will it matter when our leaders are pushing people to mistreat the black people? Where is Black Lives Matter in Africa? How many people have died in the hands of a fellow African? We need to wake up. We need to respect an African. We need to respect black lives within ourselves before we demonstrate that these Europeans and the colonialists, they mistreat. No. Let's first respect ourselves. Let's first respect the lives within ourselves, within our neighbors. See what is happening. What if all lives matter? The ministers or these corrupt officials could not corrupt any money that can go into the people, that can better the lives of the people. This is also another way of respecting life. As long as you don't, all your actions don't go into that direction of respecting life, there's nothing you can do that can convince people that you are doing something valuable. Let's learn how to respect life. If it is possible, it is my humble request to all Africans, if it is possible, we should also demonstrate against the brutality of the policemen who are mistreating us in our home countries. Because it is too much. We can't continue like this.